How to see recently added friends on Facebook. Now, in order for you to see your recently added friends on your Facebook account or your Facebook app, all you have to do is to tap on your main menu button right here and scroll down to the very end until you see Settings and Privacy. You just have to tap on that and click on Settings right here. Once you're on your settings, you just have to scroll down until you find your activity section right here. And under that, you will be able to see activity log. So you just have to tap on that and scroll down until you find connections right here. So you just have to tap this arrow down button right here in order for you to see your friends right here. So all you have to do is tap on manage friends. And now you can filter this specific section right here and tapping on categories in order for you to see your friends or your friends that you have removed, the receive friend request that you have, or the send friend request that you have sent. So in order for you to see your recently added friends, all you have to do is to go right here. And you can just pretty much scroll down until you find the friends that you have recently been added with or recently have been friends with. So that's how to see recently added friends on Facebook. Hope we help.